Hello, my lovely people. Come with me. Let's make this Zambian Chibwabwa. It's called pumpkin leaves in English. And I haven't had this in a very long time. So we're going to soak it in water and we're going to let it soak for about an hour or 30 minutes, depending, but soak it enough until it's really nice and soft. And then we are going to wash it. After it is soaked, you're going to wash it. Make sure, because it gets sand, loads of sand. So make sure you wash it. So as I was washing there, my husband was busy chatting to me, asking me, my wife, do you know any of your friends who's looking for a serious relationship and all those kind of things? I said, my husband, I have friends. First of all, Facebook friends. I have friends everywhere at church that are looking for. So his friend is looking for somebody to marry. So guys, if you know anybody who's serious, who's looking for somebody to marry, please inbox me in the comment section there. So anyway, let's continue this. So that's how we're just chatting away. So I boiled the water. I'm putting my chihuahua in the water. I added some salt. I added one teaspoon of salt, depending on your taste. And I added a bicarbonate of soda as well to the thing so that it makes it soft. And you know that bicarbonate soda gives it that nice Zambian feel to it and makes it cook quicker. I'm telling you. So we added that bicarbonate soda, and then after that, we let it cook. We let it cook for some time. So I was telling my husband, why is your friend? There's so many girls at church. Why can't your friend ask somebody? He said no. He's a bit shy. He's a bit shy. So he just wants somebody who's serious, somebody who's ready. He's not looking for somebody who's looking for playing and all those kind of things. I said, okay. Anyway, in this cup, I added 3 cups of ground nuts. So these ground nuts, this is what makes chihuahua, this mixture, having the ground nut. And these nuts, by the way, they came all the way from Zambia. So I was so excited. So I'm gonna make a paste into this, and then we're gonna add this into our boiling chihuahua on the cooker. So yeah, so that's what's happening. Because you see, these days people are looking for other people. And this is how people meet, through who those kind of things. That's how other people. So we're just chatting away and just saying, you know what, don't worry, we're gonna pray for him and God is gonna provide somebody for that friend of his. But I've asked you guys, if you know anybody, please don't forget. So that's my chihuahua over there, and it's looking good already, but it's not done because your nuts have to boil. So let them cook maybe for about 15 minutes or so. You will see yourself the difference that they are cooked. And I added my garlic, my onions, my chili, because I love a bit of chili in the chihuahua, and the tomato is already in there. So then you're gonna slow cook it. We reduce the heat here now. We're gonna slow cook it until your tomato is cooked and your everything, and voila. Yeah, that's it. This is our traditional delicacy, a Zambian traditional delicacy. You can eat this with pap. Next time I'll show you how I'm eating it with pap. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you for watching, and please follow for more.